Guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Mika. I'm back at it again with another Christmas nail video. So let me get comfortable. Okay, so I've already applied my full cover nail tips. I've used the Good Trades 3XL square full cover nails. So I went ahead and applied these on with my peel off base coat. Now I need to go ahead and shape these bad boys up a little bit. So let's get into it. Okay, so now that that is all done and our nails are applied and sealed on correctly, I did go on top of the nails with some dehydrator to just dehydrate the top because I was being lazy and I did not feel like buffing the top of the nail. Okay, but if you want your nails to stay on and your polish to stay on, definitely buff the top of your nails. So I am going in with this gel polish that I got from my local nail supply store. It is called Creation, and like Cree and then the number 8 and then Shun, so Creation gel polish, I guess. And I'm just going in with one coat on camera, so I am going to go ahead and do the index in real time, and then I'm going to go ahead and speed it up for the pinky finger and the ring finger. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch this. I really hope you guys like this video because I really love how these nails turned out, but it was definitely some struggles. Stay tuned to see what struggles I had to overcome. So like now that I like look at the nails, because I still have them on, you hear them? I still have them on. So like with looking at the nails, I must say that this base coat is like a cover pink. Like, you know how you have the Mia Secret acrylic cover pink? I found it in the gel polish and I really like it. So I don't know how you guys are gonna get it. I'm gonna see if they have a website. So I went ahead with my 2 coats. The second coat was off camera. Now I'm going to go in with this red gel polish, and I am going to do a full red nail onto my middle finger. And I did the second coat off camera because, you know, I don't want to hold y'all. So I did the second coat off camera and just did the first coat on camera. And then I went ahead and cured that in the lamp for a total of 60 seconds. Now with the same red gel polish and a liner brush, I am going to create Frenchies on those 3 nails. So, Frenchies are hard. It may look like I did good, but I don't know if I messed it up. I don't know, y'all. But I'll let you guys be the judge of that. So with creating my Frenchies, all I did was at first I just wanted to do each Frenchie in, you know, one by one, but I went ahead and did all of them at once. So I went ahead and drew out the Frenchie line, and then I went ahead afterwards and filled it in after all the Frenchie lines were drew out how I wanted them to be drawn out. Okay, so before we go ahead and get too far into the video, I want to go ahead and put a disclaimer out there that this is not my nail set. This is not my creation. I do want to go ahead and pop a picture of the lovely original set, and here it is. So yeah, like I said, you guys, I love to recreate acrylic sets and turn them into like Gelx sets, because again, a lot of girls do not like acrylic or know how to work with acrylic, or you know, their family may not like acrylic or something like that. So I am definitely one of those girls, and I want an acrylic set, but I don't want to deal with acrylic. So I always try to have the best way of trying to do it with doing it in the Gelx method. So yeah, let me know if I bombed it. Let me know if it's a thumbs down. I would really like to know. Comment down below. So as you guys seen in the previous clip, I did just do like some straight white lines because on those nails, which I did it on the index finger and the ring finger, I'm going to apply a charm. So I'm going to be creating my charm here, and it was an epic fail. Sometimes the silicone charms work for me, sometimes they don't. This time I put top coat before I put the color in, and it still didn't work. So the top coat cured, and now I'm going in with the same red gel polish that I've been using this entire set, and I dabble it, you know, into the little silicone for this little bow shape, and I cured it in the lamp on this side for a total of 60 seconds, and then I flipped it over and cured it on the back side, the underside, for a total of 60 seconds, and yeah, it just did not work. So I was so pissed off that I just decided that I'm just going to go ahead and start putting on the rhinestones for the rest of the nails. Let me go ahead and start that, and then I will come back to these other two fingers to figure out what in the hell I'm going to do. Because I was really hoping that it was going to turn out this way. And, Lord. So I'm still unsure of what I'm going to do for these charms, because what in the hell do I have to replace these charms that's going to go with the set? Absolutely nothing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and bling out my middle, I did bling out my middle finger and my pinky, because I'm still like stumped on what I am going to do. So while I was thinking and brainstorming, I remembered that I had these little bowls here that was already made. So I decided to kind of like make my own. So I clipped off the little gem that was in the top of the bow. I'm going in with a buffer to buff off the little shiny area, the shiny stuff that's on the bow. So then that way the gel polish can have something to adhere to, and it's not going to slip and slide. Because I did try this already with another bow and I didn't buff it, and I used a black bow. So also, let's keep in mind here, because I didn't record this part, but let's keep in mind here, let's imagine that this is a pink bow. And then I'm going on top of it with my red gel polish, just as the same that I am doing with this black bow. I'm taking like a detail brush, a liner brush, whatever kind of brush you want to call it, and I am just going to paint the red gel polish on top of the black. So then that way when it cures, it's going to be a red bow, like duh, because I'm not going to use these black bows. But like I said, you might as well say this one is like trial and error, and I did cure this one onto my finger, but over the video you'll see that I did change it to a pink bow, and it'll look a lot better than what it is looking like now. Okay, so now that I think I have everything accomplished here with my charm, which is the bow, now I'm just going in and I'm just going to line that Frenchie with some red rhinestones. I got these from a subscription box like last year, so And this is the bow, and I am putting it into place here. And as you see, it doesn't quite go with the set. It is like a lot darker, so it doesn't like go with the set, and it looks like hella sloppy. So yeah. And also, y'all, what I didn't show was that I did put a red gem in the center of the bow, where I removed the little clear silver one that was originally there. So now I'm just lining up my gems and everything, getting it, you know, kind of like to perfection or whatever. But I didn't really like it, so this is when I say that I went in with a pink bow and did the same thing. Okay, y'all, so I do have a small clip here of me creating the other bow with using a pink bow instead of using a black bow, which my mind should have done first. But I did just go ahead and put it on a nail stand, and then buffed it. I took off that rhinestone, and now I'm just painting it red. I did 2 coats. So I did go ahead and cure the first one for a total of 30, maybe 60 seconds. Now I'm going in with the second coat, cured that for a total of 60 seconds or maybe 30. And then now I'm just going in with the rhinestone glue, and I'm just applying a rhinestone right there. And now I'm just going to go ahead and finish this nail, do the same thing that I did to the index finger, but now I'm doing it to the ring finger, which is applying this charm that I kind of DIY made myself, and lining it with some red bling. But I did do the red bling off camera because I didn't want to hold you guys for real. So now it's time to apply some top coat. So I did go in with this top coat on camera, but I did go in on top with another top coat to just, you know, make it do what it do, because this top coat was not giving what it needs to give. So yes, this is, you know, how they are looking. Now I would go ahead and seal my gems, but since these are popping off, I didn't go in and seal my gems. And I also feel that with both layers of the top coat, you know, so they're, you know, I feel like they're kind of sealed in for however long that I'm gonna wear them. So now I'm just going in with my cuticle oil, y'all. I am just gonna go ahead and rub that into all of my cuticles. They are crusty and look a little dusty, so I just want to go ahead and nourish these babies up, get these, you know, shining so they can match the freaking nail set, because this nail set is freaking beautiful. And I love the creator that created these nails, honey, because I really love them, and I just feel like they're really, really cute, and I just do not want to take them off yet, y'all. Like, look at them. Like, how do you guys feel that I did with the set? So again, here is a picture of my inspo, and this is my set. So let me know if I killed it. I know I didn't have the charms, like the correct charms on the middle finger to go with the set, but all in all, I feel like it goes. I feel like, you know, I kind of got it to a T, you know, a little bit, not too much, but hey, it's a dupe. And this is what I did using gel polish. I didn't use any acrylics, no builder gel, nothing like that, just gel polish. And yeah, so if you guys like the video, go ahead, like the video, comment down below. And if you are feeling generous, you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to it already, because I really, really appreciate it. And to all of my returning viewers, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I really appreciate it, and stay tuned for more videos, y'all. I love y'all, and you know I don't have to say it twice. Bye.